Guys, good afternoon. This is the crazy tutorial or the crazy master. So guys, for this afternoon, I'm going to teach you how to unclog your speaker. Guys, just go to the Play Store and search unclog your speaker. Ito. Dito po yung lalabas. Ito po yung lalabas. Wait lang. Wait po, wait. Unclog speaker. Ito po yung lalabas. Then install nyo po. Pagkatapos ng install, just click this. Let's go into it. Ito na po guys. Kung gusto niyo na pong start yung pag-unclog, ito po. Ito po Ito. Just press that button. And if you want to stop the unclogging of your cell phone, just press this. After that, your speaker will be unclogged. Okay? So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you will subscribe my channel and for more tutorial that will come. Thank you. God bless. Bye bye. Bye.